Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the restore job for S3 in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here, we have a backup of the S3, and we are going to restore it from this backup. Go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Select the files you want to recover. Specify your restore destination. Here, you can select the destination, object storage, and restore path. Click Next. Select the restore strategies. Here, you can choose the transmission strategy and advanced strategy. Click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now the restore job is complete. It has been restored successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.